Welcome to the Salty Barrel setup video. Start by finding a level surface clear of sharp objects to set up on. Remove the dry bag from the carry bag and unpack the tub and lid. Lay out the tub and slide the 4 thicker poles into the vertical pockets that run up the walls of the tub. Take the 11 thinner poles and connect them to form one long pole. Take one end of the long pole and bring it across to the other end. Walking on top of the pole keeps it in place. Line up the ends and push them together to form a ring. Clip the ring into the vertical pole cutouts. Secure the Velcro around the ring. Your tub will look like this. Position the coil somewhere safe and connect it to the tub using the Quick Connect fittings. Fill the tub until the top coil outlet is fully submerged. Once the tub is full, light the fire. Stir the water and check the temperature periodically. After about 2 hours, your salty barrel will be ready for use. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see your setups.